stuff. Oh man, it came in. It wasn't supposed to be in for another couple of days. Y'all might already know what this is. Some of y'all don't. I'm not gonna spoil it. We're just gonna open it. This wasn't. Here it is, y'all. Full catback exhaust. Alright, as you can see in the thumbnail, I'm gonna be showing you how to install a catback exhaust. Alright, so what you wanna do is first have some jack stands on both sides, or jacks, and maybe have some car ramps, which I already have on under here. Alright, and have some WD-40. So what you want to do is, there's a couple bolts that you need to spray, and there's on both sides, either right here up top or on the other side. So you spray them on both sides. You might want to spray the these right here too, because they're pretty hard to get off unless yours are just weak. Spray some WD-40 right there, and everything should just slide off easily. Alright, so what you want to do is first have some jack stands on both sides, or jacks, and maybe have some car ramps, which I already have on under here. What you want to do is, there's a couple bolts that you need to spray, and there's on both sides, either right here up top or on the other side. So you spray them on both sides. You might want to spray the these right here too, because they're pretty hard to get off unless yours are just weak. Okay, so the whole exhaust thing did not work out. I bought the wrong exhaust for the car. It was for a Acura RSX. But what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put a straight pipe on and connect it to the muffler. So that was the only part that did not work. I'm not really mad because it was only how much was it? It was like $80, so I'm not mad. That's only $80. So but I'm not gonna be able to do it anytime soon because we're evacuating for the storm. Alright, so I'm just getting back from the storm. Sorry that I haven't posted in a minute. I forgot to end the video, so I'll see y'all next time.
I wish I found some better sounds no one's ever heard. I wish I had a better